What a great question. Let's look more closely at this expression. When I say that's one way to put it to someone, I'm communicating to them that something that they said may not be completely incorrect, but that I think there may be a better or more accurate way to describe or say it. So I'm acknowledging their opinion, but I'm also at the same time communicating that I think there may be better ways to communicate this. It can also be seen as maybe a mild or polite way to kind of disagree with someone or challenge them without completely coming out and saying, hey, you're wrong. You're always suspiciously 15 minutes late to those Monday morning meetings. Hey, what can I say? I'm just fashionably late. Yeah, that's one way to put it. Ooh, wait. I got one more thing for the laundry. Here you go.
How come you never do laundry?
Well, you're just so good at it.
Yeah, that's one way to put it.
This is a great expression, but just remember that the tone that you use to deliver it can really influence the impact of the expression. In the first example, my tone is really light and playful, and that comes through more as a joke. But in the second example, I'm clearly annoyed with the other person, and that is communicated through my tone. I hope this video was helpful, and let me know what other questions you have. All right, I'll see you next time.